Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Medium publication distribution for affiliate traffic, complete guide step by. Begin by understanding the basics of Medium's distribution system. Research how Medium's algorithm functions to enhance your content's visibility. Identify the specific affiliate links or products you wish to promote within your articles. Ensure that your content aligns with Medium's policies regarding affiliate marketing. Create high-quality, original articles that provide value to readers. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within the content. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and participating in discussions. Utilize relevant tags to categorize your articles appropriately. Consider joining Medium publications that accept content featuring affiliate links. Submit your articles to these publications to widen your audience reach. Monitor the performance of your articles using Medium's analytics tools. Adjust your content strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Promote your Medium articles through your other social media channels. Collaborate with other writers or influencers for cross-promotion opportunities. Stay updated on Medium's changing policies and best practices for content distribution. Regularly refresh older articles with current information and new affiliate links. Continue to experiment with different article formats and topics to attract diverse readers. Build a following by consistently publishing content that engages your target audience. Track and analyze your affiliate traffic to optimize your efforts further. Maintain patience and persistence as rebuilding distribution may take time. Focus on creating a loyal readership that trusts your recommendations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.